Welcome to the Cashlens How-To Tutorial series. This series is designed to help you get the most out of Cashlens, your personal and business finance companion that simplifies tracking income, expenses, savings, and debt. To begin with, Cashlens is a finance management app built to help individuals and small businesses take control of their financial future. Whether you struggle with tracking where your money goes, saving consistently, or managing debt effectively, Cashlens provides an easy-to-use platform to monitor income sources, categorize and track expenses, create personalized savings portfolios, manage and track debt repayments, gain insights through financial highlights and charts. In this tutorial series, we will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Cashlens, including how to download and set up Cashlens, how to create your first financial portfolio, how to add and track income, how to monitor expenses and spending patterns, how to track debt and repayments, and many other fascinating stuff about Cashlens. By the end of this series, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Cashlens to take charge of your finances, make informed decisions, and achieve financial stability. Let's get started. How to install Cashlens on your Android, iOS, or desktop. To get started with Cashlens, follow these simple steps to install it on your device. 1. Open Google Chrome on your Android, iOS device, or computer. 2. Visit www.micashlens.com and allow the page to load fully. 3. Tap the three vertical dots, top right corner, to open the browser menu. 4. Look for the option labeled Install App or Add to Desktop and click on it. 5. An installation dialog will appear. Click on Install to proceed. In just a few seconds, Cashlens will be installed and ready to use. Cashlens is built on Chrome's V8 engine, making it lightweight, fast, and reliable across all devices. Now that you've installed Cashlens, let's go through the steps to set up your account and start managing your finances. 1. Open Cashlens by tapping or clicking on its icon. Once the landing page loads, tap Get Started Now to proceed. 2. If you already have an account, enter your login details and proceed. If you're new to Cashlens, tap I don't have an account to begin registration. 3. On the registration page, enter the following details: full name, email address, phone number, preferred currency, to track finances in your local currency, password, must include letters, numbers, or special characters, confirm password, select purpose for using Cashlens. After entering your details, tap Create Account to proceed. If your details are valid, your account will be created, and you'll be redirected to the login page. Now, enter your email and password, then tap Login to access your dashboard. Congratulations! You're now ready to manage your finances with Cashlens. Now that your account is set up, let's move on to creating a portfolio to organize your finances effectively. Stay tuned. Creating a savings portfolio in Cashlens. Portfolios in Cashlens help you set and track multiple savings goals effortlessly. This feature ensures that a portion of your income is automatically allocated to different savings objectives. To create a new savings portfolio, 1. Tap or click on the BS database icon at the top right corner. On larger screens, this appears as a button with the BS database icon and the text, Create Portfolio. If you haven't created a portfolio yet, a Create Portfolio button will also appear in the Active Portfolios section. 2. Enter portfolio details. In the Create Savings Portfolio dialog, fill in the following details: title, name of the portfolio, example, emergency fund, car purchase, vacation savings, etc. Description, explain the purpose of this savings goal. Percentage of income, the portion of your total income to allocate to this portfolio. Goal amount, the target amount you aim to save. Deadline, the time frame to reach this goal. Once created, any income recorded will automatically be allocated to the portfolio based on your set percentage. You can modify portfolio details whenever needed. If a portfolio is no longer relevant, you can archive it. Archived portfolios won't receive future income allocations but will remain saved for future reference and can be reactivated. Now your portfolio is ready. Next, let's explore how to add income to your Cashlens account. Tracking income, sources and savings. To track income, tap the hand receiving dollar icon at the bottom center of the page. This opens the income and savings tracking dialog. 1. Enter income details. Select income source, salary, freelance, business, etc. The system sets the current date, but you can adjust it for accuracy. As you enter the amount, Cashlens automatically distributes funds to your savings portfolios and shows your spendable balance. Tap Save Now to confirm. Check the feedback message to ensure successful saving. Your savings and portfolio values update instantly. That's it. Next up, tracking expenses. Don't go away. To track expenses, tap the menu toggler at the top right to open the side menu. Select Expenses Tracker to load the expenses page. View Total Spendable, Expenses and Spendable Utilization Percentage, SUP. Tap a category for details. History and Charts, see yearly spending trends. Tap the 3 arrows icon at the bottom center to open the tracker. Enter item names, category, units, unit price and date. Click Create Expense to save. Successful entries update all financial metrics, including net savings, SUP, total expenses, savings efficiency and charts. Next up, budgeting. Stay tuned. Budgeting in Cashlens. To manage your budget, tap the menu toggler at the top right and select Budget to access the budgeting tool and existing monthly budgets. To create a new budget, select Month and enter the estimated budget amount. Allocate funds to each category, the remaining balance updates in real time. Tap Create Budget to save. Tap the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of a budget container for options, Edit or Delete Budget. On the Budget Details page, track spending per category, unbudgeted expenses and many more. Now, you're in control of your finances. To manage debts, open the side menu and select Debts Tracker. This page has 2 sections, debts owed to you and debts you owe others. Recording a debt. Tap the first button on the bottom center to open the lending/borrowing dialog. Use the lend/borrow toggler based on the debt type. Enter amount, lender/borrower, reason, repayment date, and interest type. If applicable, enter the interest rate and tap Lend Money or Borrow Money. Recording a debt settlement. Tap the second button on the bottom center to open the settlement dialog. Toggle between settling debts owed or owed to you. Select the other party involved. The total amount owed appears automatically. Enter the settlement amount and tap Settle Debt. Repayment history, balances, and charts adjust instantly. Up next, financial reports. Stay tuned. Monthly financial highlights in Cashlens. Each month, Cashlens provides an in-depth analysis of your finances, comparing your performance to previous, average, and peak months. Tap the bell icon at the top right corner to open the highlights page. Browse through past monthly reports and select one to view details. What's inside? Income breakdown, sources and total income. Savings and portfolios, contributions and progress. Expense analysis, spending categories and utilization. Charts and trends, visual comparisons with previous, average, and peak performances. Financial history, a clear picture of your monthly financial habits. Use these insights to track your progress and improve financial decisions. That brings us to the end of our Cashlens How-To tutorial series. We've covered everything from installing the app, setting up your account, tracking income and expenses, managing savings portfolios, budgeting, and even handling debts and financial highlights. By now, you should have a solid grasp of how to take full control of your finances using Cashlens. Whether you're managing personal or business finances, this tool is designed to help you stay on top of your money, make better financial decisions, and work towards financial freedom. Thank you for following along. If you ever need a refresher, feel free to revisit any part of the tutorial. Now, go ahead and make every Sadie, dollar, or euro count with Cashlens.